rotator cuff is a group of muscles inside the shoulder. They're underneath the big muscle being the deltoid on the outside. There are a lot of big muscles, but the rotator cuff, they represent a series of small muscles. The rotator cuff muscles are responsible for moving the arm in a very precise manner, like reaching for a cup of coffee, tucking in your shirt. When you have a tear in the rotator cuff, not only does the shoulder hurt, but it also feels weak, and these tasks that you could ordinarily do without thinking of become more difficult and challenging to perform. When the rotator cuff is torn, we repair it through a series of small incisions through an arthroscopic method. One of the incisions is used to insert a camera so we can see what we're doing. The other two incisions are used to pass instruments and tools to fasten the rotator cuff tear back to where it tore from. While we're in there, sometimes we clean up a little arthritis, remove bone spurs. We take a survey of all nooks and crannies of the shoulder to make sure that if there is anything else that needs to be addressed, we can address it at the same time.